Well, it's time to give the fish tank a clean. You can see it's getting some of this like algae stuff all over it. There you going? There you going? Hang on, okay guys, I'm just taking some of your water. I'll leave the filters on for the moment, but as the water level gets down, I'll turn everything off. Take the filters out. This is the Kmart one, and can you see this one? Yes, so this is the one that is built into the tank, and these are the filter pads. Look at that. Yeah. So these are 2 weeks old. It's all that already. So they will need a clean, and then under that you have this matting, so it filters through that as well. Up in the sink. And then this is the little Kmart one. It just gives that little bit extra, so it has a sponge and another sort of a sponge in there, and that gets a wash. There's this part of it, main filter. You take off. I'll give that another clean too, but you can see here I've got 2 buckets of water. So these have been sitting outside in the sun for the last 48 hours to remove the chlorine. Alright, so to clean, this is tank water. And you put all your bits and pieces in there, and my trusty sponge, and just get everything a good clean. And then this is the sponge part, and then there's the charcoal part in there. I'm going to wreck them. And again, this water can all go on your plants. See how that water looks? If I can find the bucket, hang on. Yeah, you can see how the water looks. A little bit dirty. Look at that. You see all the dirt? Ew. Yucky. Alright. Well, Goldy and Comet are hanging in there. And now it's time to put all this back. I just hope I don't miss anything. So that goes in there. And I think that goes on there. Yep.